Everything RF, top RF and microwave stories this week, 1 to 5 July 2024. MEC introduces COMOS-based zero-IF D-band beamforming transmitter for wireless services above 100 GHz. SHF, Communication Technologies and KMCO partner to develop RF adapters that operate up to 145 GHz. Microant develops switched beam electronically scanned antennas for maritime, aviation, and terrestrial markets. Viavi selects ETS Lindgren's RF-shielded anechoic chamber for over-the-air testing of open radio units. Pendulum Instruments introduces multi-channel frequency analyzer with a 2-channel frequency counter. Murata signs licensing agreement with Michelin to integrate RFID technology into tires. Crane A&A launched a family of MM-Wave integrated microwave assemblies at IMS 2024. Z-Wave Alliance announces release of 2024, a spec and a new Z-Wave reference design. Novocom secures £3.6 million funding to develop 5G antenna technology. Keysight empowers SGS to conduct testing for Skylo non-terrestrial networks certification program. U.S. Army selects Blue Halo to supply next-generation counter-UAS missile solutions. Satixfy secures $20 million order for its space-grade digital beamforming chips. Everything RF, keeping you up to date with the RF and microwave industry.